Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So I want to visit with you about a Buick Encore. I believe this vehicle came into the shop. Today is Thursday. This vehicle came into the shop Tuesday afternoon. If I'm not mistaken, it actually came in for an oil change, but it was low on coolant. Whenever they topped off the coolant literally just ran out on the ground. So the plastic thermostat housing, there's a truck that's going by. It's pretty loud. There's another truck going by. Hi, trucks. All right. Hopefully I'll enjoy trucks as much as I do. But anyhow, the plastic thermostat housing had literally busted. So as we're pouring coolant in, you could look underneath the vehicle and it's literally not just dripping, but it's literally streaming onto the ground. Where it's running out of that plastic thermostat housing. So the great news is we brought the customer back here, was able to gain trust because we showed them exactly what had happened. We showed them that when we poured water into it, that it literally ran out on the ground. Was able to show them the plastic component that's on the engine that had busted. So they left it with us overnight. We ordered the parts, we fixed it the next day. And now, if you was to look underneath it, you'll see it's all dry. It's not running hot. It's got a good oil change. And this one here is just waiting for them to come and get it here in a little bit. So hope this was helped, especially on these hot summer days. We've been up close to triple digits, 99, 100 degrees. It's very important to pay attention to your temperature gauge on your vehicle. Not all vehicles have a temperature gauge. Sometimes they just have a light on the dash. It's like a red warning light, like a thermometer through a red boiling water or something like that. It's the best way I know how to describe it. But if you don't have a gauge, then you're gonna have a light. But watch your gauge. It should run about in the middle more often than not. And if it runs hotter than that, then it might be an indication that you've got a problem. See ya in the next video.